Following one creator's actual journey from zero to YouTube partner program qualification with real numbers, real struggles, and real strategies. Welcome to my YouTube monetization series. This is going to be a 7-part documentary series on getting monetized. I'm going to tag the series as Road to Monetization, a beginner's real journey. Who is this for? Aspiring YouTubers, small creators working toward monetization, anyone curious about realistic YouTube growth. This series is going to be structured into 7 parts, which are understanding monetization requirements, my strategy to get monetized, progress update, what's working versus what's not, the final push to monetization, I got monetized, the application process, first month monetized, real earnings revealed. I want to get monetized on YouTube. Yes, exactly what that takes. This is episode 1 of YouTube monetization journey series, which I talked about earlier, and it's about understanding YouTube monetization requirements. Full transparency, I'm not monetized yet. I have 0 subscribers, I have 0 watch hours, but I'm going to get there, and I'm documenting the entire journey. This is episode 1 of my YouTube monetization series, where I break down exactly what YouTube monetization requires, what it means, and my realistic plan to achieve it. If you are also working toward monetization or just curious how it works, let's figure this out together. What is YouTube monetization? YouTube monetization means YouTube puts ads on your videos, you get a share of that revenue. With that revenue, you can earn money from your content, but it's not automatic. You have to qualify first. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP for short. To monetize, you must join the YouTube Partner Program, and the requirements for that is 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, or 10 million short views in 90 days. Follow YouTube monetization policy, have an AdSense account, live in an eligible country. Nigeria is eligible for those in Nigeria. You need all of this, not some, all.